went from bad to worse.
You're gonna have to be careful of those fairway bunkers
yeah,
out
this
there.
is
They can really
wow.
put a wrench into things. So,
Wow.
just warning you now.
Wow. Jesus.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
Bad one.
yeah, this is
Should be smooth.
We went over them. And now you're going.
oh dear. Into the waterfall.
You're in the waterfall.
Could have sworn that was
Yeah,
fairway
I am.
bound. No. Live and learn.
This should be really interesting.
Not there. Not there.
The good thing is though, I'm probably going to be able to take a really good screenshot of the waterfall like behind me.
I hope it's solid where I
To
land.
the long grass.
I really hope it's solid where I
What's that
land.
stag? And the other
No.
one.
Okay, second
Wow.
shot here on the 16th.
Wow. This is Terry about to hit the ball in a downfall.
Yeah.
Can you say anything?
No, absolutely nothing. Except for the waterfall and like the big mount. A little
This
bit
is
of
gonna get interesting. God, but it,
Jesus.
apparently you like rough, but that's nothing compared to what's around you.
Yeah. I'm gonna probably. Do you think I'm gonna get scratched?
Oh, crap.
What?
Well, that went